Hi, I'm Jess, and today I'm going to show you how to make these collaged mini notebooks. So the first step of this project is going to be collaging. If you got one of our Take and Make kits, you will have 10 index cards, some rubber bands, some string, ribbon, or yarn, and you will also have some random pages of newspapers, magazines, and paper. So if you don't have one of our kits, then you can find those things around your house. Any magazine, newspaper, or old drawings or old pictures that you are allowed to cut up, you can use for this project. And if you don't have 5x8 index cards, then you can just cut up like a sturdy piece of drawing paper or construction paper to be the pages. And we're using about 5 of these pieces of paper to make the pages, so it'll be like a 10-page notebook. Okay, so first is the collaging aspect. So collaging is basically just taking any patterns, colors, or pictures that you like and turning them into another picture by layering them on top of each other. So for mine, I started with one black and white photo to be like the background of my cover, and then I'm going to cut out other pieces of pictures that I like and I'm going to layer them on top to create the collage. Okay, so here's my collage after adding one more layer. I thought it would be cool to put a different black and white picture on top of this one. Okay, and here is my finished collage page. So it's going to be the front and back of my notebook. So we're going to put that aside. It's okay if you want to pause the video here and take a long time to make your collage. Sometimes it can be something that takes a while because you're just going to keep adding more layers and changing it as you go. But we're going to move on to the notebook making part of the project. Okay, so we used one card for our cover page, so now you will take the remaining 4 cards and we're going to fold those right in half this way. And then we are going to take a ruler or just eyeball about 1/4 of an inch from this edge and make 2 little marks on the side. Okay, so now we're going to unfold it and see where I made these marks. You're going to make a fold on each of these marks on either side of the original fold, and that's going to create our spine. Okay, so when you make those folds, your pages are going to overlap like that much, and then you're going to unfold the 2, and there is your spine. It's okay if it's a little crinkly because we're going to cover it up with that cover page. Okay, so next you're going to take out your scissors and you're going to make a notch in the top and bottom of that spine. So cut on your 2 little marks right there. And I'll fold it out so you can see how much I'm cutting, just a little notch at the top, and then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Okay, so now you've created a spine and 2 notches on the top and bottom. That's where the rubber band is going to sit. So everybody grab your rubber band. Okay, so now you have the skeleton of your notebook. And when your collage is done drying, whenever the glue is dry, you can add it right on top, create the same notch in the top and bottom of the cover page, and then just add it on, and then tie the string around where the rubber band is so that it looks all pretty on the outside. Okay, here's my finished notebook. So I just took that string and I tied it through the center of the page where the rubber band is, and then around the outside. So you can use these for anything you want. You can draw in them, you can journal in them, you can just make little notes. They're perfect to carry around with you. Okay, so I hope that you had fun. You can make these anytime you want with recyclable materials. And thank you for watching. Bye.